Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is linear equation in one variable. So we have already completed each and every question of exercise 2.3. Today we will start exercise, already we have completed the questions of exercise 2.2, and today we will start the exercise 2.3. And in this exercise 10 questions are there, and what you have to do, you have to solve the equations and you are supposed to check your results as well. First of all, you have to find the answer. Afterwards, you are supposed to check whether your answer is right or wrong. So question number 1 is 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. So here no method has been mentioned, so we can use either of the method. We will use the transposition method. So what we will do, we will collect the variables on one side and the constant on the another side. So variable is here 2x will be transferred from the right hand side to the left hand side and sign will be changed, and 18 will be here only. 3x minus 2x, that is x. So x is equals to 18, x is equals to 18 is the solution. Now we have to checking. How we can check? In the equation we are seeing two parts are there, left hand side and right hand side. So first of all we will find out the value of left hand side. Left hand side is 3x, means the value of x is 18 and 3 18 is 54. So the value of left hand side is 54. Now we will find the value of right hand side. Right hand side is 2x plus 18, that is 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 into 18, that is 36. 36 plus 18, that is 54. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Here left hand side equals to right hand side. So we can say that hence our answer is right. We have checked also. How we are supposed to check? What value we have found of the variable we are supposed to put in the equation, and we are supposed to equate. We are supposed to calculate the left hand side and the right hand side separately. If their value comes the same, we can say that our answer is right. At the same time, we will take one more question, that is question number 2. What is question number 2? That is 5t minus 3. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. 3t minus 5. So we will use the transposition method. We will collect the variables and the constant on the different sides. So 5t minus 3t equals to minus 5, and minus 3 will become plus 3 this side. So 5t minus 3t, that is 2t, and here we will get plus 3 minus 5, means 5 is larger in the magnitude, so sign will be negative. 5 minus 3, that is 2. So from here the value of t is minus 2 upon 2, and 2 will cancel out, and we get t is equals to minus 1. Now we are supposed to check our answer. Checking the answer, for that we will calculate the value of left hand side. Left hand side is 5t minus 3. 5t means 5 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. Now we will calculate the right hand side. What is right hand side? 3t minus 5. 3t means 3 into minus 1 minus 5. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8. So from here we can assess that left hand side is equals to right hand side. We will write this only, left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence checked. So like this we are supposed to proceed this exercise. So more questions are there, so we should take one more part, so that will be easy for you to proceed the remaining questions. We will take the question number 7. Question number 7 is x equals to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 4 upon 5 into x, then we have to multiply by 4 upon 5 into 10. Here 5 to the 10, so this will come on this side. So x minus 4 upon 5 x is equals to 4 to the 8. Now 4 upon 5 became negative when it was transferred from the right hand side to the left hand side. So now we will take the LCM. 5 into x, 5x minus 4x is equals to 8. Now we will cross multiply 5x minus 4x, that is x is equals to 8 into 5, x is equals to 40. So the value of x is 40 here. Now we are supposed to check the answer. For checking the answer, again we will follow the same rule, that is we will calculate the value of left hand side. Left hand side is x, that is only 40, and right hand side, the value of right hand side is 4 upon 5 into x plus 10, that is 4 upon 5 into value of x is 40 plus 10, that is 4 upon 5 into 40 plus 10, 50, then we will cut 5 10 ja 50, and then 10 4 ja 40. Again left hand side is equals to right hand side, again we will write the same thing. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence checked. I hope that you have understood the method how to find the solution of an equation, and after finding the solution you are supposed to check the answer as well. So 3 questions already we have done. In total number of questions are 10. We will take one more question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. So this is the question. First thing, we are supposed to collect the variables on the left hand side and the constant on the right hand side. 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equals to 3 minus 1. Sorry. So 7x upon 15 became minus because it was transferred from right hand side to the left hand side. So we will take the LCM, that is 15. We will write 2x here and we will write 7x here. We are supposed to multiply by any number. By which number we have to multiply? We have to divide the LCM by the denominator. So 3 5 ja 15 and 15 1 ja 15, and this side 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2x into 5, that is 10x minus 7x upon 15 is equals to 2. That implies 10x minus 7x, that is 3 upon 15x is equals to 2. So x will be equals to 2 into 15 upon 3. So 3 5 ja 15, from here we got the value of x is equals to 5 to the 10. So now we are supposed to check whether our answer is correct or not. For that we are supposed to check. We will follow the same method, that is we are supposed to find first of all left hand side. What is left hand side? 2x upon 3 plus 1. 2 into what is the value of x? 10. 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1, that is 10 to the 20 upon 3 plus 1, that is 3. 20 plus 3 1 3, that is 23 upon 3. So the right hand side will be 7x upon 15 plus 3. So 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. So here this is the multiply sign here. So we can cut if the number comes in the same numbers table. So 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. So here comes 7 2 ja 14 upon 3 plus 3. Again 3 will be the LCM and 14 plus 9, that is 23 upon 3. So again 23 upon 3, 23 upon 3. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side, hence checked. So this is the method. So we are having overall 10 questions. Out of 10 questions we have already solved here. 40% of the questions means 4 questions out of 10. The remaining 60% questions means 6 questions you are supposed to solve by yourself in the homework. And if you face any kind of problem, then you are supposed to message us, or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, but you are supposed to complete the homework today only, and after completing the homework you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.